on my way to town to a meeting. We have a really interesting project going on in July. It's me and my colleague Hans Grane, and now I'm gonna meet with the media company to talk about that project and how we're gonna be able to go through with it. Can't say too much about this project right now, but it's going to be really fun, really interesting, and it's going to create a lot of cool vlogs and probably some other cool videos as well. So just finished in the meeting now, and it went very well. It was me, camera guy, the producer, and Hans Grane, my colleague. The project is going to be very nice, and everyone is a bit calmer now because we have sorted out everything, how it's going to be, what we're going to do, and we have a solid plan on how we're going to complete this project. It's going to be really exciting. So, through a lot of trash and didn't cost that much. Now I'm gonna go home and cut my grandma's grass. She has a robot grass cutter now, but it's like the edges of the lawn has to be still be cut manually. So gonna help her with that, and then call Hans Eivind, ask if he has anything is on his mind about the ongoing project we're gonna do in July. Then I'm gonna edit videos for the rest of the day, I think. This other grass cutter just wouldn't start at all, so now I'm gonna try with a different one, the old one. It's just one thing after another breaking here now.